Hello everybody, it's Martin Sadler from Dent-Remover, and today's repair is a Skoda Kodiaq Scout. The dent is on the door. It's quite a beefy kind of dent. It's got a bit of a crown here. The dent itself is about this big, and it's just a door crease. So a door's actually opened and hit it. When it's hit, it's pushed it in, put this top crease, outward crease on the door. So it looks a little bit of a mess. So I'm going to get my tools out, I'm going to get set up, and then I'll start to repair it. Okay, so I've got the majority of the dent up. I'm just going to swap bars. Get rid of that bar. I'm going to use my other bar. It's got a really sharp tip. You might have seen it before in my other video. So I'm just going to pinpoint all the little bits that still need to come out. And this is the tool for it. Straight in there. Right on it. Right there. Okay, so we're finally done. Took a while to do. There was a deadening pad, like a sound deadening pad behind there, so it's quite difficult to push through to take the dent out. But it's absolutely spot on, and I'm very pleased with the results. I'll let you have a look. If you'd like to see any more future videos, why not like, share and subscribe, and I'll keep trying my best to do your quality repairs. Cheers! Thank you very much for watching my latest video on this Skoda